Welcome back, my students, to our third English class in this level B1. And today we're going to be learning about demonstrative pronouns. This is an important part of the English grammar because it helps us point specific things easily. So let's get started. Let's go. Okay guys, but first of all, we have to know what they are, and let's understand what demonstrative pronouns are. They are words that we commonly use to replace nouns and show exactly which person, things, and place we're talking about. And the most common demonstrative pronouns in English are this, that, these, and those. Don't forget this pronunciation because it's really important to make emphasis in the TH, this. And as you can see, when I'm pronouncing it, my tone is almost coming out my mouth because it has to touch my teeth. In the pronunciation, it has a vibration on my teeth. Yeah, one more time. This. So the pronunciations are this, those, that, and these. Very good. Okay guys, now let's talk about explanations and examples. And we use that or this for singular object. Yeah, when we have only one. Yeah. The word this, we use it only for objects that are close, really close to us. For example, this is my book. These examples shows that the object is near me or near you. Yeah? Another example could be, this is my watch. It means that the watch is so close to me. Yeah, it's near me. Okay, now let's go with the other one, that is that. That is a singular demonstrative pronoun that make reference that is only for one thing, and however, the distance is a little farther. Yeah? For example, if I told you, that is my friend's house, it means, or it shows that the house of my friend is so far from me. Yeah, very good. Now let's go with the other part, that is plural one. The plural demonstrative pronouns are those and these. Don't forget this pronunciation. Those and these. All right. Now, in this part, that are the plural one, I have an example with this. When we use this, it means that we use it because we have more than one thing. More than one thing. More and more than one thing. For example, these are my shoes. This example say that, or this example shows multiple shoes or many shoes near me. Yeah, they are many shoes. Another example could be, these books are mine. These books are yellow. Okay, it's an example because they are many or they are multiple books. Another example, but with the other one, is those. When we use those, it's because they are more than two things, more than two, or more than many things that are far from me. For example, if I told you those cars are in the garage, or those are trees in the park. Those are trees in the park. Now, we have to understand that even this group and the other one, they complete or they followed an instruction, a specific instruction in the way in which we can use them. Yeah, don't forget that. Okay guys, I know you're wondering how to select the correct demonstrative pronouns. And it is obviously we have to ask ourselves and say, how do we know which one we can use? Yes, of course. Let me tell you that it depends on two things. The first one is the number, the totally, or the number of the object. If whether it's one or more than one, obviously, we have to select a specific one. For example, that or this. Yeah, but if they are more than two, we have to select those and this. But the second rule that we have to follow is the distance. If the object is far away from us or is near us, we have to select a specific one. Yeah? Alright guys, with all this explanation, let's go to the practice or put in practice right now. Yeah? Let's go. Here I'm going to be putting or writing some example. And the first one is, if I told you that I hold one pencil in my hands, I say, no. I say, this is a pencil. Yeah? Another example. If the pencil is on the table far from me, I say, I use that, the word that. That is a pencil. Or that pencil is yellow. That pencil is on the table. I use that because the pencil or the object is far from me. Yeah? The third one is, if I hold two or more pencils, I say, these pencils are yellow. It's an example. Yes? And if the pencils are on the table far from me, I say those. I say those. Okay? Perfect. Thank you for watching this video. And if you practice this word, you will be using demonstrative pronouns like a native person. Alright? Yeah, it's not impossible. It's easy, this topic. Okay guys, thank you for everything. And if you like or if you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and or give us a question in the comments below. And see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.